Hey everybody, welcome back to Jack's Meat Shack. Today on the channel we're talking about the Ninja Foodi Max Healthy Grill and Air Fryer. First thing I noticed about this is it's got some smart technology. So if you've watched this channel for a while now, you'll appreciate that I always use a thermometer. I'm no expert when it comes to cooking, so to get your steaks perfect medium rare or to get your chicken nice and juicy, use a thermometer. This thing's got one built into it, so in theory if you're going to cook a chicken and chips indoors and you don't want your chicken to be dry, you just use the thermometer. So let's unbox it, see what it looks like and see what other features it has. Okay, so first impressions, it's really good quality build actually. Nice heavy lids, and it comes with a roasting basket, a crisper basket, so if you're going to do like chips or anything like that, and a pretty heavy duty grill plate, and an inbuilt thermometer. So the idea is, if you're going to do like a roasting joint, you put this into your meat, this into the machine, and it will monitor your cook as you go. So as you can appreciate, do a lot of barbecue, it's no difference using the thermometer and cooking something on your barbecue. So yeah, looking forward to getting to grips with this. Also comes with a pretty handy recipe guide and instructions. So if you want to do steak, for example, gives you some good steak recipes and some ideas, and a little brush to clean it, and then some guides on cooking your food. And it also claims you can cook food from frozen. So bonus, if you're running out of time, don't know what to do for dinner, got something in the freezer, get it out, straight in the Ninja, done. Right, let's do some cooking on this thing. So we've actually got the unit preheating now, it takes 10 minutes to preheat, and we've got the enamel coated grill inside it ready to go. And what better way to test it than with a mixed grill. So we've got a 300 gram steak, 4 sausages, 2 chicken breasts and some black pudding, and the unit has been preheating for just under 4 minutes, so we're nearly ready to cook. And another little nifty feature is the built-in thermometer, so you don't overcook your meat. So this clips in at the side like so, and then you have your thermometer pop up there. So to preset it, we want our steak to be 55 degrees. And that is it. So this goes inside our steak like this. I'll tell you what, we put it in the thickest part. There we go. So let's get some meat on this grill. So let's put our steak there. Good sizzling noise. We'll get our chicken breasts on next to it. We'll get our sausages on here. And then our black pudding in the corner. Now all we do is close our lid. So our maiden voyage is underway, and to be honest, I'm really impressed with it. So far the steak has been in about 2 minutes and it's gone from 11 degrees because it came out the fridge and obviously been on the cutting board, so it's warmed up a little bit, and it's at 35 degrees Celsius already, so that's pretty fast. And yeah, this thing's doing exactly what it says. It can grill like a normal barbecue or on like your hob, but there's hardly any smoke coming out of it. There's a nice smell, which is good, but yeah, no smoke, no odour. Hey, I'm impressed so far. The grill's got 5 different functions. It can reheat, it can dehydrate, it can grill, it can bake, and it can roast. And it can also active fry. So if you're health conscious, this is really good. You can add a fraction of the oil you need and you can get awesome results. And honestly, this thing is smelling very nice at the minute, so I'm excited to see what sort of food comes off of it. Okay, ready for the food. Ooh. Just adding some halloumi. So far, I'm really impressed with this. The steak was cooked in probably 5 minutes, not long at all. 55 degrees Celsius we wanted our steak, medium rare to the uninitiated, but yeah, 5 minutes, done. Sausages, maybe 8 minutes. Black pudding, same. We're just waiting on our chicken now, and that was at 50 degrees Celsius, so it's not far off at all. I've even had time to put some halloumi in there for an extra bit of cheese. Lovely. Okay, so this is our steak. We wanted it medium rare, so we should have a nice pink line inside it. Okay, so nice and pink. Maybe a little bit more overdone than we would have liked, but not bad at all. Oh, look at that. Yeah, buddy.